How to pause your store on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will give you a quick tutorial on how to pause your store on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to your Shopify, open up your store, and this is where you will get. You will have to go to your settings. And once you go to your settings, you have to find user and permission. Go to user and permission. And if you scroll down here, you will actually find the pause button and it will allow you to pause your store or close your store. If you do not want to do that and if you want to transfer your store, we also get the option right here, transfer ownership. You can do that. Now, because of my plan, I cannot see the option right here, but it's right here. If you want to simply, change and pause your store, so it will be shown right here under user and permission. So let me actually show you how it looks. You can also search right here for pause. So I'm going to do that and take you to the help center. You can see right here pausing and deactivating your account. And what you have to do is you will go to your store, and then you have to go to your settings, right? And you can go to either user and permission or you can go to the plan as well. And you can just simply click on pause. Now, again, because of my plan, I cannot see the option, but you will find it right here. And once you do that, then you will get the pause and build option. So you can just click on pause and your store will be paused, and you can just simply start your plan again. You can simply resume it whenever you want from your login that you have on Shopify. Pausing your store means that we will not be able to show the products anymore, but the store will exist and we will not permanently delete it. We will just pause it and unpause it whenever we want. You can just go to your settings, go to your plans right here, and you will get the option right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.